In this video, I'll show you how to quickly find duplicates in Zoho Sheet, a feature that becomes incredibly helpful when you're working with large or messy data. Zoho Sheet includes a built-in Find Duplicates tool, and using it can make your spreadsheet cleaner, more accurate, and easier to work with. Start by selecting the column or range of cells where you think duplicates might exist. Highlighting the correct area helps Zoho Sheet understand exactly where to perform the search. Once your selection is ready, go to the top menu and open the Data tab. From there, look for the Data Cleaning section and choose the Find Duplicates option. As soon as you do that, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This panel lets you control how the tool works. You can choose one column if you want to check duplicates in a single field, or select multiple columns if you want Zoho Sheet to search for duplicate rows based on several values. Setting this correctly ensures the results match exactly what you need. Once your selections are confirmed, Zoho Sheet automatically scans the data and highlights any duplicates it finds. This visual highlight makes it extremely easy to spot repeated entries at a glance. From here, you can decide what to do with them, whether that means deleting them, correcting them, or reviewing them before making changes. The Find Duplicates feature is simple, fast, and essential for maintaining clean and trustworthy data. Whether you are preparing a report, cleaning up imported data, or just checking for errors, this tool helps ensure your information stays accurate. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Zoho Sheets organized and reliable.